Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get your Shopify store URL. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your Shopify account. This will take you directly to the Shopify admin dashboard. If not, go to admin.shopify.com manually. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure your store is selected. Next, head to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. At the top left of the settings page, under your store name, you'll see your store URL. You can copy this link and paste it into a new tab to view your live store. There's another way to find it. Go back to the main dashboard and on the left-hand menu, click Online Store. Under this section, you'll see an eye icon labeled View Your Online Store. Click it and your store will open in a new tab. Both methods show you the exact URL to your live Shopify store, whether you want to preview it or share it with others. You can use this link to test your store's layout, check the customer experience, or promote your business online. And speaking of promoting your business, if you want to find trending products to sell and really take advantage of your Shopify store, I recommend using Sell the Trend. It's a powerful tool that helps you discover winning products, analyze trends, and grow your online business faster. I've added a special link in the description where you can try it out for 14 days for just $1. So, that's basically how you can get your Shopify store URL. And that's it for this video.